Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while. I guess I've been busy doing all kind of things. So today I want to show y'all something that's quick and easy, and I really hope you enjoy it. And after you take a look, you like and subscribe. So let's come along, let's go crafting. I got the two candlesticks from Factory Direct Crafts. I got the Waverly Chalk Paint Ivory. I also got the Deco Art Chalky Finish Vintage color. And I also got the Waverly Agave color. I am also going to mix the two blues together to create my own color. I also got these paper mache birds that you can get in the paper mache section of Hobby Lobby. And don't forget my two candlesticks from Factory Direct Crafts. I ordered them online. One is bigger than the other. I'm just going to take and hot glue my bird onto my candlestick on the flatter part of the bird. Once you turn it over, you'll see where it's flat at. So I'm going to place it on top of there and just hold it tight. I'm also going to add some glue around the sides because it kind of seals that space that's in between it, and just rub it gently with my finger to kind of mold it in place. I'm now going to take my second bird and I'm going to do the exact same thing that I did with the first one. Now I'm going to take my Waverly Chalk Paint Ivory and I'm just going to do one coat on the both of them, only one coat, because I'm going to use a sponging technique to apply my blue color to kind of almost have it look like a stone look, I guess that's what you can say. Like I said, I'm going to do the second one exactly like I did the first one, just one coat and one coat only. This is the finished product. Looks pretty good. Great idea for people that are wanting to do, I guess, like some crows for the fall holidays. Doing black, distress them, really any color. But let's continue on. So now I have already mixed my blue, and I'm just going to dab it with my little sponge that I ripped off from this huge sponge that I purchased from Walmart, and just any section and area that I want to have my blue. Second one, repeat exactly what I did on the first one. Voila! Now they are so pretty. Okay, so now I'm going to take Dark Brown by Folk Art and distress in little areas with the little teeny tiny skinny paintbrush. And sometimes I take and I rub it with my finger just so it could have that chippy kind of look. Now I'm going to take Chalked Matte Clear by Rust-Oleum, and I'm going to spray them both. Oh, look at how lovely they came out. So now that you've seen it, I hope you like it. I hope you try it. I would love to see what you made. So don't forget, like, thumbs up, and subscribe so you can see more. Thanks.